Here's why consumer surplus is the area above the price and below the demand curve. Well, first, instead of seeing this as a demand curve, I'm going to call this a willingness to pay curve or a WTP curve. Now, what is willingness to pay? Well, if you imagine Bill who's walking into a coffee shop to get coffee, before he sees the price, maybe he says that he would buy coffee if the price is less than or equal to $10. So that $10 is going to be Bill's willingness to pay for coffee. Now, suppose the price is $5, so of course Bill is going to buy the coffee. But the key here is that in addition to getting that coffee, it's almost like Bill got an extra $5 out of this trade. And that's what we call consumer surplus, which we just calculated as the difference between the willingness to pay and the price. So now if we go back to our willingness to pay curve, you can see the difference between a price of 5 and a willingness to pay of 10 is the consumer surplus, which means that if we go back to a market demand curve and we think about everyone's consumer surplus, it's going to be the area between the willingness to pay curve or the demand curve and the equilibrium price. Follow for more.